This is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Die. Extra noses bounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Ooh, couldn't help but notice your boys from across the floor. Noses and Nicky, but you told them to turn hee. Hands up so baggy, this thing's a baby. So musky. Take me home, pet me, and make me yours, and don't forget to stub me. See me like my little baby girl for your bulgy kisses and lickies your neck. I have daddy legs, sizzles and muzzles your chest, so I be getting thirsty. There got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Please adopt me. Cause I'm your
What? 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 Oh my god! What? I just got 75!